Folks, Ram project. The Ram was meant to be a daily driver and also to haul my M3, M5 to the track. I bought it used. Now there's some problems. I have a problem with the Rambox, and that's what we're gonna fix today. The Rambox lights don't work, so I had to take it apart. All right, let's get to it. Beautiful truck, Rambox. You press it, it works, right? And guess what? This light and this light doesn't work. Look at that, it's not working, folks. This truck comes from Canada, and little that I know, there's a lot of rust under this car. I mean, mostly it's surface rust. I'm sure the connections got rusted, so we're gonna have to take this Rambox out. We're gonna show you how to take it out. I'm gonna learn how to take it out because obviously I never seen it take it out, but I'm gonna see and try to take it out, and we're gonna show you, all right, and fix it. That's it, let's get the tools. So we're gonna use a 5/16 all throughout, pretty much. And we're gonna use a torque wrench here and here, a 3 torque wrench right here, which is this. Let's do it. I'm gonna break him free first because every bolt in here has Loctite and it's pretty tight in. I mean, it kind of makes sense. It's in the body, and so it shakes constantly so it doesn't break loose. So it does make sense. All right, so that's... So far is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bolts inside, 2 bolts outside, and I'm pretty sure I have to take these 2 as well. All right, we took all the bolts out. There's a ton of bolts. We'll show you how many. We'll count them and tell you how many. But now we have to unplug the harness, which is right here in the back. Once we unplug the harness, slowly we can pull this out and then figure out what's wrong with the electricals. Let's bring it to the garage and let's figure out what we're gonna do to it. All right, I need to be careful with this so I don't scratch the paint. Folks, I think we find what the problem is. See this wire here? It's disconnected from the switch. No wire, no switchy, no switchy, no wire, no wire, no switchy, no light. That's the problem. So let's see if we can fix this. Let's see if we can take the switch out and somehow fix this. I don't know if we can or not, but we'll try. So here's the switch, cheap ass switch. We're gonna try to take it out right here. Pull it out. And all right, gang. We went ahead, look everywhere for a switch. So I had 2 alternatives, either drive and look for it or order in Amazon. So we went to an RV location nearby and we found the switch. Here's the switch. So I went ahead and stripped the wires. We're gonna put in the switch, just like that. I think I'm gonna be like this, better like that. I'll tighten it later, I mean, with it suffice for now. And I guess it doesn't matter which wire you use. It's the white one and the yellow one. And I already placed a shrink wrap in the cable itself. So once I solder them together, I can shrink wrap it. All right, so now we're gonna do that. All right, folks, this is the new switch. We soldered the wires here. Actually, my friend did it. We, meaning he did it because I was too lazy in doing it. Now I'm just gonna clip this in and install it back in the car. And that should do it right here. Look at this, guys. This is the switch they put in a $90,000 truck. How crazy is this? And it was just broken right from the, I mean, like right from the switch. It broke right in the switch. And you can't fix this. There's no way you can repair this. Incredible. So this job, taking the Rambox, changing a $14 switch, if you go to the dealership, it's $300 something. It's not $400. It cost us $14 and it's fixed. Now let's put it in the truck. All right, guys, let's put it on right now. Now let's bolt it in. See, the key here is that it's even, and I don't know if it is or not.
The key here is to plug it in first, test the connections before you bolt it all up.
That's a good idea. Let's plug it in and then test the connection. All right, so let's see if the light turns on. The light turns on. All the bolts are tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 bolts to secure the Rambox. There you go. Done, folks. Till next project. What are we going to use? 3 Torx wrench. Oh. I think we need more tools.
Go do that again.
Take 3.
There's a blooper.
And the saga begins. Oh, you're filming me getting the tools. All right.
Can I get one of your magnetic dishes?
Actually, yeah. That would be a good idea. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome, Phil.
What the hell? Sounds like a low motor with a problem, with a diarrhea issue.
Yeah.
You know, this thing is not light. I'm like, hold on. You should have been filming.
Pull your shirt down there, Cletus.
Hell, you suck.